Here we are down by the beach below our house. Julian's ready to go snorkeling.
Yeah, that's why you need the sun to come out.
There it goes. Yeah, it's starting to rain. There. How's the water, Julian? Mom and Dad?
It's good.
We're in Haulover Bay, the little beach they have here right below. There's our house up there. See if we get a better close-up from, make sure there's no one up there stealing our wallets, but there anyway. Here we are here. There's that sailboat that's been out there all night. So we're going to go snorkeling here. It's supposed to be one of the best spots on St. John's. So, oh, sailboat's leaving. Scared them away.
You want to go snorkeling, Sarah, and I'll stay with them?
Oh, what's that on your face?
Okay. I will.
So hopefully we'll see a shark or two, some turtles maybe. Maybe a barracuda.
Who are you waving to? You waving to Grandma? You want to get back down in it?
Yeah, let's get
right.
getting back in the water here.
There you go, bud.
Come on.
I got your hand. Or which hand? You want me to hold your left? You got it.
All right, buddy. Oh, here it comes. He wants more. He wants more. He loves the water. Doesn't know what to do now.
He's dancing.
Dancing? There you go.
That's a one-handed splashing.
Yeah.
It's a good move.
There's the sun. How's the water, Julian?
Yeah, with the sun now, it doesn't feel too cold.
No, it doesn't.
Hey, bud.
Can you splash in the water?
Come on, let's see it.
Splash.
Good job, bud. Oh. Hey, do you want to sit down in it?
Ooh, whoa, he's not too sure about that. No.
Okay, we're standing.
That's better. Won't be long.
We just don't want you to dive head first. I don't think you're going to like the results of that.
No. Okay, I think Grandpa's going to go snorkeling. There they are. Can you wave hi?
Hey, Julian. Hey, buddy. Do you wave? Hi, buddy.
Oop. I think that's as close as I can get. Okay. There's some sailboats out there. Oh, time to snorkel.